The regenerative design team is Master's green team. The RDT team has many projects on the go. One of the ones that we just began was the Hydroponics initiative. The purpose of the Hydroponics initiative is to supply food for the cafeteria, and it's a great learning experience for the students.
We are part of the regenerative design team, and our purpose is to work on recycling and composting within our school.
Hydroponics is the process of plants being grown in water without the use of any soil, and the water has the same nutrients as normal soil would.
My name is Peter Gergo, and I'm with Clear Grow Farms here in Calgary, and we have designed an indoor growing system that uses no soil, just water. I think one of the benefits of using hydroponics over soil is that you reduce the time it takes for the plant to mature, and you have a number of soil-borne illnesses that can arise in growing plants in soil. So I mean, basically you're in control of their growing environment. I think the way hydroponics can benefit masters is that there's an educational component, and then there's also the cafeteria, which of course uses about 10 pounds of leafy green lettuce every week. Well, the hydroponic tower can easily supply that.
After you put the seeds in the rock wool, you put water over it, and then you put it into a tray, and then there's specific lights over the plants that help it grow. After the plant becomes big enough, it's not contained in the rock wool anymore, but its roots go straight into water, and then you have to add the nutrients into the water.
For the minerals, we had to make sure that we had the right amount of each one so that it would be as if plants were growing in normal soil.
They can learn so much about plant biology, the life cycle of a plant, what impacts the plant's growth in terms of things like carbon dioxide, and playing around with the nutrients and having to calculate volume, and many different things that they could do from an experimentation perspective that would hopefully, help them grow and learn.
After about 20 to 30 days, you'd harvest it.
After our first round of growing plants hydroponically, we chose to showcase our first harvest to a group of teachers and administration here at Masters. Presenting in this way gave the students the opportunity to share what they learned throughout the process, and gave the staff some insight on the benefits of growing food hydroponically and to experience what the students are involved in.
We really enjoyed learning all about this science and how hydroponics works, and it's really cool to see how fast these plants will grow.
It's really cool to see how maybe it could have a huge impact on the school, because we're going to use the lettuce that we grow in the hydroponic tower for our school cafeteria.